Hey everyone, Nelson Miller here from PA Creative. Today I have news that Divi users have been waiting for about 11 years. You can now add background videos from external sources like YouTube in a Divi section. Now, we've added this feature in our plugin. Divi Dynamic Content Helper has lots of features related to dynamic content, and this is one of our latest features that we've released that you probably didn't even realize. So it's kind of how it sounds. You can put a video in the background of a section in a section or a row. Here's an example. Now this section's empty. We're just showing a bunch of different examples. We have different formats. This one's from Vimeo. This one's an MP4 video. Here's an M. There's just different examples, but the main one, of course, is YouTube. Maybe you've seen this particular video before when Divi 3 was running ads for this. Here, of course, is the example I wanted to find. So, like, obviously, you'd you'd have it something like this. So there would be headings and buttons and maybe images and different modules here in front of it. But you can see how it's working, right? This is actually coming from the YouTube video. That's what's cool. This has never been done in the history of Divi before. People have tried some really, really crazy workarounds, and it never really works. Um, People have tried taking like a video module and like, yeah, anyhow, that's how it is. It works just like that, how you would expect. So I'll go ahead and enable the builder. There's a bunch of videos on this page loading. It's not going to show in the builder. That's the one caveat here. So I have a YouTube background video right here in this section. I'll click on the settings and then click on background here, and then the video tab, the background video tab. And the thing to notice, I have, in fact, over on the blog post, if you're on YouTube, head over there. This is how it looked in Divi 4. Notice that there's no ability to do this. There's no dynamic content icon, especially how the way the component kind of works, where there's the color and then the gradient and image and video all together. So now it's much more separate. So like each of these tabs. So like look, right here, background video. Now, depending on what you were using, but you can just use this field and see how this insert dynamic content. In fact, I will remove it and it would look like this, right? And normally you'd be able to go and just upload a video to your media library. But with this, you're going to click this insert dynamic content, choose the custom field, and then of course you'll have it in a custom field. So I'll choose right here. Let's see this here, YouTube URL, and I'll apply, and then it puts it right in there. It's how Divi 5 puts dynamic content in there. It's coming from a custom field, and I forgot to tell you. So if you're using this plugin, Divi Dynamic Content Helper, you'll have access to the custom fields right here in the builder. You don't have to switch to the back end. That's one of the cool features that we have. So right here, you can see is the URL to that video. Here you can see the Vimeo one. There's a bunch of different examples down through. You can do the embed one. And it's just different examples down through on the page. They all work the same. The point is you would put your URL in a custom field and then insert it like you saw I did there. Choose the field there. And we'll just exit again. And there it is. So I'm pretty happy with it. And it's true. Like this has been something that people have been trying to figure out. There's been so many attempts at this. I remember trying years ago and we just couldn't get it. So we're really happy about this. Share the word. If you see this come up, this is like one of those things that comes up in Facebook groups and forums. Share the word. That would be really great. I appreciate it. We put a lot of work into this. It's not easy to do this kind of thing. This is what happens after you've been working in the Divi code base for like 10 years. So we're happy to bring it to you, and we hope you appreciate it.